Introducing the Dynamic Fatigue Tester for Foam, a powerful and precision-engineered testing solution designed to evaluate the long-term durability and resilience of flexible foams. This advanced instrument simulates real-life usage by applying repeated compression cycles to foam samples, accurately measuring how the material performs under continuous load over time. It helps determine crucial parameters such as loss of thickness, change in hardness, and fatigue resistance, ensuring that foams meet the highest standards of comfort, durability, and performance. Ideal for industries including mattress manufacturing, furniture production, automotive seating, upholstery, and packaging, the Dynamic Fatigue Tester allows manufacturers to predict how their foam products will behave after years of use, long before they reach the consumer. The Dynamic Fatigue Tester for Foam complies with major international standards. Contact us today to learn how the Dynamic Fatigue Tester for Foam can elevate your testing capabilities and help you deliver comfort and quality with confidence.